Why did you get in the thing? No, you pushed me. You did get in the thing. What happened?
Hey, I got an egg for you.
Riley, I'll take an egg. I want an egg.
No, he's going for Raleigh.
What? He's on my team?
No, he's got an egg. I have an egg that you can have.
What about me?
All right, well, I'm going to go be a big kid and go play in here.
Me too. I'm going to be a man.
Yeah, everybody get in there. And James, hurry, get out!